Hey guys, it's getting a lot nicer outside. We're heading into the spring market, which typically means a very active time of year for buyers. While this is certainly true, keep in mind it's also a time where over 30% of the year's inventory comes on the market. And as a seller in a changing market, you need to be one step ahead of the competition. So here are 3 musts you need to do before you sell to stand out from the competition, open the market to the biggest buyer pool out there, and ultimately net you the most money for your home in the shortest period of time. Staging and decluttering. They say a buyer can make a decision within about 10 seconds of seeing your home whether or not they want to buy it. If your home looks like a Pottery Barn catalog, well, you're all good, but typically that's not the case. Make sure you review changes with your realtor, such as decluttering your home, because less is always more. If it's a larger issue, we may have to look into 2 different staging options. One is what we call virtually staging. This cost-effective strategy can give a buyer a great idea of what your space would look like in the best of light. With virtual stage renderings, we usually use that with a vacant property. Option 2 would be to physically stage a home, which even produces better results. This is used with awesome furniture, and we find these 2 options so effective that last year we sold 3 properties using these techniques that were on the market for a total of 285 days unstaged with other brokers. 2 actually sold for building records, and this certainly had a huge effect on the emotional appeal of every buyer that walked into these homes, and ultimately we got the offers we were looking for. Number 2 is paint. This is a no-brainer, my sellers. Well, you may say the buyer could just change it when they purchase, or they could factor that into the purchase price. Hey, I hear it all the time, and I understand. However, buyers could get a very bad taste very quickly, and I know shockingly, paint can be a deal breaker. Buyers want move-in ready, so give them something they can work off of, like a neutral gray or an off-white. Paint color has a huge effect on the size of appearance of a home as well. So think in terms of not only aesthetically pleasing, but the space feeling more open and larger as a result of the paint switch. Last but not least, figuring out the right price. This is the most crucial part of the entire process. You've gotten your home staged, decluttered, changed the paint color, sweat, stressed, all involved to get this done. It looks so amazing. You may be thinking, can we stay? Well, get with a trusted and reliable real estate agent who has a track record of selling property for top dollar and can also prove they can execute. Look at their days on market of their sales. Afterwards, review the right pricing strategy in which you're going to open the market versus now in the market. As owners, we sometimes want to squeeze a bit more out of the sale than the market's telling us. I can understand that. However, what this does is it narrows the market, and we miss a good portion of that buyer pool. Even at market value, you're going to get about 60 to 70% of the buyer pool. Price it 5 to 10% over value, and statistics show you're only getting about 30% of the buyers that are out there. Remember, list price doesn't typically mean sale price. However, with the right pricing strategy, we can ensure, along with a powerful marketing plan, we get the buyers needed into your home so we could get you 1 or more offers on your property. If you have any questions or you're getting your home ready for the spring market, feel free to reach out to me. You can always reach me at 551-427-7107 on social media, Facebook at Agent Mooring, on Instagram at Move With Mooring, or email me, jamie@movewithmooring. All right, have a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon.
Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck